Who's Making That Noise? By Philip Hawthorne and Jenny Tyler. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys?
Mark, it's not us.
Who's inside? Just open wide. Toot, toot, toot.
It's a teddy.
Yes. Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys?
It's not Mark, it's not us.
I wonder who dares look under the stairs.
Thud, thud, thud.
Who's that?
It's a chicken.
Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Who's hiding there to give us a scare?
Mark.
Rattle, rattle, rattle.
It's a dog.
Yes, playing with a rattle.
Rattle.
Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us. Now, who do you think is under the sink?
Crash, bang, crash.
Who's that?
A pig.
Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys?
It's not us.
It's time to explore, but which cupboard door?
Ring-a-ding-ding.
Who's that?
Cat.
Who's making that noise? Is it those noisy boys? It's not us.
Don't hurt.
Do hurry, don't wait. We'll open that gate.
Bang, bang, bang.
Yay!
Bunny.
Yes!
So who could be making that hula baloo? It's really not me, and it's really not you.
Surely not you. Open this first to find out the worst.
Don't scream yet, us noisy boys.
Do you want to know more? Then open the door. That's
Cry. Who? That's who.
That's not good.
That's not good.
Shh.
I am the storyteller.